Hello Facebook users. Do you want to keep your friendship a secret? You need to keep these friends private and do not want to make them public to others. This is also good because in case you are an introvert, you want to have a private space to enjoy Facebook discreetly. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to hide your friends list. Step 1, open the Facebook application. Step 2, click on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. Step 3, scroll down and find Settings Privacy, tap it, then select Settings. Step 4, from the left sidebar, select Privacy. Step 5, select How people find and contact you. Step 6, next to Who can see your friends list, click to edit it. Step 7, select Only Me to ensure only you can see your friends list. Remember that Facebook automatically syncs your changes across all your devices. You will be completely assured of enjoying your private space after hiding your friends list. Wishing you a private and relaxing space with Facebook. Please like and subscribe to support us in making more videos about technology tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos on the channel.